Here, Pooker.
So we're going to show you how to put a Pookerchief on an actual live patient if they no. This is Devo, my whippet.
Hurting.
Good boy, sit. Yes, I love you too. Sit. Good boy. This is one of the small sizes. He really wants to have this put on him. They are reversible, as you can see. So Devo, come here. Ah, good boy, sit. So this is basically all you have to do. Once you have achieved dogness, you put the Pookerchief around their neck and then you simply clip it shut. Maybe. There. It does not matter if the point goes onto their back or if it comes around in front. It really doesn't matter. They just clip on. I have approximately 2 fingers in between the neck and the fabric, which is exactly what you want. These need to be slightly loose. They cannot be tight. So approximately 2 fingers in between. And then, of course, if you get tired of one side, you simply flip it around, close it, and you can do the other side. These are the breakaway buckles. They're great for smaller animals. If they get caught on anything or anything happens, the button is pushed and they just pop right off. For medium, large, and extra large dogs, your Pookerchief is equipped with 2 buckles, a male end and a female end. To correctly attach your Pookerchief to your pet, insert the male end into the female end until you hear a click, and it can't come off. In order to release the Pookerchief, press on the 2 side release buttons. If you wish to use the other side, simply flip the Pookerchief around and do the exact same procedure. To release, press on the side buttons. Make sure to put your own Pookerchief on you first before attaching a Pookerchief to your pet. Right, let me know when you're ready.
Oh, I'm filming.
Oh, good God. Okay. So, come here. No, yes. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Thank you. Dog. Devo, come here. Okay, sit. Sit. Okay, thank you for your opinion. Sit. Good girl.